Silverwatcher coming at you for a quick video. Well, I guess I don't need to pick up the protectors, but alright, so I don't know if I've shown these off. I think I have, but in case I didn't. 1878, 1901. What was that, 1896? Carson City Morgan. No, I'm joking. They're all just regular Morgans. I picked them up because they were toned for 18 bucks pop. I know, whatever. Some people say I got ripped off. Look at the toner in the middle. But either way, once again, I have them. They're mine. I've never taken this out and shown it, although I've shown it off, but I've never actually taken it out. Truest. So, In God We Trust, 1922. Seems to be the most common year, those two. No mint mark. Come on, focus. There we go. You can see the piece right there. The edges aren't too bad. But anywho, this used to be in a package that said uncirculated, but I took it out because I don't care anymore. Can you see that little circle right there? So how is it uncirculated with a mark on there? Whatever. Wilton Coin Company lies. $1. Okay, but I am showing these off, but the point of this video was to do something. So I don't care if you don't understand the words. This is the sound of my people internationally, all over the world. Those are all the Morgans, if you could hear them. So I'm switching out the Morgan to hit strike for the 22. Pretty much the same pitch. Now the 40%er. You hear that? So anyways, just a quick little silly video. Boom. I'm out.